Hi guys, in this video, I will be explaining to you how the factor theorem works. Now, according to this theorem, for any polynomial f of x and any number r, x minus r is a factor of f of x if and only if f of r is equal to 0. So let's take this example for you to understand how this factor theorem works. Now, for example, we have here, is x minus 5 a factor of x squared minus 10x plus 25? So let's just substitute the value of r to our polynomial f of x, x squared minus 10x plus 25. So our r here would be 5. So let's just substitute 5. So f of 5 is equal to 5 squared minus 10 times 5 plus 25. So we have here 25. So 5 squared equals 25. So minus 10 times 5, that is 50, plus 25. So 25 minus 50 plus 25, that is equal to 0. So since f of 5 is equal to 0, so therefore x minus 5 is a factor of x squared minus 10x plus 25. So the factors of x squared minus 10x plus 25 are x minus 5 and x minus 5. So if we will multiply x minus 5 times x minus 5, so we will arrive to the polynomial x squared minus 10x plus 25. So this simply shows that x minus 5 is a factor of this polynomial x squared minus 10x plus 25. So let's have this second example. Is x plus 1 a factor of x to the power of 8 minus 1? So our r here would be negative 1. So try to watch my video about the remainder theorem for you to know how we could determine the value of r. Okay, so solution, so x to the power of 8 minus 1. So let's just substitute the value of r, which is negative 1. So f of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 to the 8th power, or to the power of 8 minus 1. So negative 1 to the 8th power, that is just equal to 1. So 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So since our f of negative 1 is equal to 0, so we could say that x plus 1 is a factor of x to the power of 8 minus 1. So if we will factor this x to the power of 8 minus 1, so our factors would be x to the power of 4 plus 1, x squared plus 1, x plus 1, and x minus 1. So we have here x plus 1, which is one of the factors of x to the power of 8 minus 1. So that's how the factor theorem works. So just remember that if f of r is equal to 0, then x minus r is a factor of f of x. However, if f of r is not equal to 0, then x minus r is not also a factor of f of x. Now, how about this? Is x plus 3 a factor of x squared minus 9? So just comment your answer below.